Hello everyone, and welcome to yet another video on Bitcoin. And today I want to share with you guys my opinion concerning you know the current situation in the market. Yesterday being 18th of October, Bitcoin officially mined the number of Bitcoin officially mined now has hit 18 million Bitcoin. Okay, 18 million Bitcoin. Okay, and despite it hitting 18 million Bitcoin, we didn't see the impact on the price because we have been told that the more Bitcoin that is mined, okay, the more Bitcoin that is mined, or the more it gets closer to 21 million, okay, the more difficult it becomes, and you know, the more the price goes up. Trying to like create what is called scarcity. Okay, but what we are seeing on price is totally different because you see Bitcoin moving all the way from hitting 8,006, okay, to coming down to as low as 7,009, and now it's struggling between 7,009 and 8,000. Now, will it break through to above 8,000 to maybe 8,500 or 8,600 again? Maybe. Okay. But the question is, what we are being sold in terms of that if this happened, this is what the reaction is going to be. First of all, it was the CME ETF. It happened, the price didn't shake. What's it called? The backed ETF was released. It didn't even have any impact. Instead, the price started dropping. Okay. Then we now hit another milestone, which is 18 million coins mined, officially mined. You can go to the blockchain website and see for yourself. And yet, we are nowhere, the price didn't even shake at all. Instead, it dropped. Okay. Now, some people with bullish sentiment believe that it is gathering momentum. For me, I don't agree that it's gathering momentum. Let me explain. The people who are currently buying Bitcoin and selling Bitcoin are mostly traders. The majority of transactions are mostly traders and institutions. When these two people are the ones involved, when these two are the ones majorly involved, okay, I mean institutions and traders. When they are the ones mostly involved, you find out that the reaction, okay, the reaction that Bitcoin normally gets when some sentiments really happen, okay, or some milestones really happen, okay, will not be the same when you have individuals who are moved with maybe greed, who are moved with you know jumping on the next ride of Bitcoin heading to the moon. You get what I'm saying? So, but as long as these people are not putting their hard-earned money into it, okay, this is what exactly is going to be happen because industries are more like controlled buyers. Traders buy and they sell. They buy they trade, they sell the high and buy low. Okay, so this is what you're going to see prices consistently do. Now, there is also a positive to institutions and traders being the ones majorly buying and selling. That is controlled dump. Okay, because we see a similar case in 2017 when Bitcoin got to almost 20,000. Then people start selling, and the price dropped drastically to 10,000. Then it didn't waste time from there. It went all the way down to 5,000, then all the way down to 3,000. So far, that is not the case with this, because this has been having kind of a controlled um, movement to it. Okay, the only thing is you are not predicting, okay, what this, but it's obvious that we're already in the bear market, because early this year, somehow in June, July, we went to, as we can see, high as 13,000. Okay, as high as 13,000. Okay, then since then it went back to attempt again. It didn't. It came back to attempt the second peak. It didn't. Ever since then the dump now start. You can see that we're currently in the bear market. There's no way about it, because you can see the trend. Now went back up. Went back up. Okay, so if you are interested in buying Bitcoin, okay, my advice is think long term, don't think short term. Will the price go back to 10,000? Yes, but not this year. Will the price get to 20,000? Probably, but not this year. Will the price get to $1 million per coin? That will take mass adoption happening, and that will take activities that will, make people to need Bitcoin. Okay, that will facilitate people buying. Okay, people putting their money and buying Bitcoin. Okay, people putting their money and buying Bitcoin. Okay, so, and that demand and supply, the demand and supply battle is what is going to drive the price up, especially scarcity. But right now that institutions are around, they are buying. They're not intending to buy it to go and use it to buy food at McDonald's. So they just buy stuff for their clients and look at the price going up and stuff like that. So this is my own opinion. If you have a counter opinion, let me know. I just wanted to share this with you guys, given the fact that Bitcoin hit 18 million coins in circulation, but yet no impact on the price. So guys, that's it for this video too. I'll see you guys next time. Take care. Bye for now.